The 4th generation Range Rover is a really nice car, and it can have some nice issues too, including a total engine failure. Mainly the diesel engines can more often fail completely, but that's another story. Now let's check out 3 issues related to electronics and air suspension which can be avoided. The first problem is related to the electronics. On the front right side, behind the fender liner, there is a main electronic junction with 3 main wires connected to it. Some call this place an earthing point, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that this place can start to corrode pretty badly, and the tip of the wires can even break off completely because of corrosion. This will result in a situation when you won't be able to start the engine, or you will get various electronic glitches, malfunction messages, and in the worst case, it can even cause a loss of electrical power, which will result in a situation when the car shuts down. So check this place, clean it, and protect it with some electrical grease or something. But this is not all, since the second problem is also related to the electronics, specifically to the small regular earthing points. These are located in the area behind the front fender liners as well, but they are positioned towards the front. And unlike the junction box, these are on both sides of the car. These points can also corrode and cause various electronic malfunction messages, plus also some glitches like not working turn signals and headlights. So it really is a good idea to protect these earthing points preventively. Also keep in mind that the wires here are attached to a stud, and this stud together with the nut can even break off completely because of corrosion. If the stud broke off, then you either drill into the original stud remaining, use some random screw and try to attach the wires back. Or you will buy a new stud, drill a new hole next to the old one and attach the wires back there. The third possible issue is related to the rear air struts, specifically to the upper air pipe which is connected to these struts. The pipe is too close to the wheel well liner, and over time it can rub against it until a small hole appears on the pipe, which is gonna cause a mysterious air leak. So check these pipes on both sides, and if you see rubbing marks on them, then protect them somehow. On the other side, keep in mind that the rear air struts themselves will leak at some point too. But replacing them is not hard, they are not that expensive, and you can extend the lifetime of them. Long story short, dirt and small rocks will stick to the lower area of the struts, and as the strut moves, the dirt acts like a sandpaper which will cause small cracks over time, which will result in leaks. So regularly cleaning this area will extend the lifetime of the rear air struts.